The perimeter of a triangle is 30 centimeters. If its distance sides are in a ratio 1:3:2, then its smallest side is. So here we have the sides are in a ratio 1:3:2. That means the sides are 1x, 3x and 2x. Now the perimeter is given as 30 centimeters, which means 1x plus 3x plus 2x equals to 30. 6x equals to 30, so x equal to 30 by 6, which is equal to 5. Now we need to find the smallest side, and the smallest side will be 1x. That is 1 into 5. So the smallest side is 5. So the right option is B. Measure of one side of an equilateral triangle is 12. Hence find its area. So here we are dealing with equilateral triangle. And in the equilateral triangle, the side is given as 12 centimeters. Now, area of an equilateral triangle, the formula is equal to √3/4 side square, which means it is √3/4. We see the side is 12. So 12 into 12, and the answer 36√3 square centimeters. So the right option is D. Three sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10. Find its area. So we do this by Herons formula. So one side is 6 centimeter, then we have the other side 8 centimeter, and C is 10 centimeter. In the next step, we need to find the semi-perimeter, which is S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 2. And this is 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Now that we have found the semi-perimeter, we need to find the area. And we know the formula for the area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is, we know the S is 12, then we have 12 minus A, that is 6, 12 minus B, that is 8, and 12 minus 10, that is C. So this is 12 into 6 into 4 into 2. We work this out and the answer comes 24 square centimeter. So the option is 24 square centimeter. The sides of a triangle are in a ratio 3:5:7. Its perimeter is 60. Then find the longest side. So here we have sides. They are in a ratio 3:5:7. That means the sides will be 3x, 5x, 7x. Now perimeter is given as 60 centimeters. So sum of the sides, that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x equal to 60. So 15x equal to 60, x equal to 60 by 15, so x equal to 4. Now we need to find the longest side. The longest side. Now definitely you'll agree the longest side will be 7x. 7x, that is 7 into 4, which is 28 centimeters. So the longest side option is 28 centimeters. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 74 and 40. So here is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, And they said two adjacent sides are 74 and 40. So let's put that down. So this is 74 and the other adjacent side, this is 40. And one of its diagonal is 102. So we'll draw the diagonal. So AC is one of the diagonal and it is 102. We have to find the area of this parallelogram. So in the first part, we will find the area of triangle ABC. So here is triangle ABC. The three sides, we see A is 74, B is 40, and C is 102. We find semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divide by 2, and that is 74 plus 40 plus 102 divide by 2, which works as 216 divided by 2 and 108. So that is our S. In the next step, we are going to find area. And we know the formula for area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And we put the values now. So our S is 108, S minus A is 108, minus 74, then we have 108 minus 40, and in the end we have 108 minus 102. In the next step, it would be 108 into 6, then this subtraction will give you 68, and this subtraction will give you, we do that again, so 108, this subtraction will give you 34, then you have this subtraction will give you 68, and here we have 6. And when you solve this, you get the answer 1224. That is area of one triangle. Now we have yet another triangle. So area of this triangle is triangle ABC equal to 1224. Now the parallelogram, area of parallelogram is ABC plus a triangle ADC, and both have equal areas. So 1224 plus 1224, which is now 2448 centimeters square. So here ADC also has got the same area, 1224, and this is also 1224. The parallelogram, the two triangles are always equal areas, so you add them up. Here this will be 74 and this also will be 40. One of the diagonals of a parallelogram, so we have a parallelogram, let's put it A, B, C, D. One of the diagonals is 15, so we'll mark that. Here is a diagonal and this is 15. And the perpendicular distance of the diagonal from the opposite side is 6.8. So we'll mark that too. Perpendicular distance means from here we drop a perpendicular. We call it P. And this is 6.8. Find the area of the parallelogram. First we'll find, in the first step, we are going to find the area of ADC. So this is ADC, and we know the area of ADC will be half base into height. If you look up in the figure, you'll see the base here is AC, which is 15, and the height is AP, which is 6.8. So we do base 15, height 6.8. You calculate this, your area will come 51 centimeter. Now to find the area of the entire parallelogram, for the whole parallelogram, it will be two triangles together, that is 51, and the other triangle, that is ADC, ABC, will also be 51. The blue triangle will also be 51 because in the parallelogram the two triangles are always congruent and equal area. So the will be 102 square centimeter. Remember, the blue is equal in area of the yellow. So this is 51 and this also will be 51. So add the parallelogram together will be 51 plus 51, 102. If the perimeter of a rhombus is 20 centimeters. Now remember, this is a rhombus, A, B, C, D. And in a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So we have x and x, x and x. So all these sides are equal. So we will do now x plus x plus x, there are 4x equal to 20 because perimeter is given 20. So 4x equal to 20, so x we have 5. So which means now we are going to write here, this is 5, 5, 5 and 5. This is one part of the sum. The next part, they say that the diagonal is 8 centimeters. Let's mark that on the figure. So here is your diagonal AC and it is 8 centimeters. Now it has got two diagonals. We have one AC and then we have here DB. And the diagonals bisect each other, which means if this AC is now 8, we can say this is 4 and 4. So we have OC equal to 4. We do not know OD and we will put OD as X. But an important part is this is 90 degrees. Angle DOC is 90 degrees. So we can use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle DOC. So here is DOC and we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So we have 5 square, which is the hypotenuse, equal to x square plus 4 square. So 25 equal to x square plus 16. We have 9 equal to x square, so x equal to 9. So out here we'll cancel this and now this is 9. Now x square equal to 9, so x equal to 3. This is wrong. If x square equal to 9, x equal to 3, which means this is now 3. This is 3 and this is 3. So the two diagonals of this rhombus. So here I've drawn the rhombus again and we have two diagonals. One is AC, which is equal to, we have seen 8. And then we have the other diagonal, which is BD. And BD we have seen is 3 plus 3, that is 9. And the area of a rhombus, area is given by the formula half D1 into D2, which is half into 8 into 9. Here's again a mistake. This is 6 here. 3 plus 3, 6. So this becomes 6. So half D1 into D2, and that is 24. So the answer is 24 centimeter square. Remember, this is here 4 and 4. This is 3 and 3. So one diagonal is 8 and the other diagonal is 6, and the formula is half D1 into D2. This is the formula of the rhombus. The area of a rhombus is 96. So A, B, C, D. Rhombus. So area of rhombus equal to 96. One of its diagonal is 16. So let's mark that. This diagonal now here is 16. So D1, say diagonal, equal to 16. Now we know the area of the rhombus. Area of rhombus is half D1 into D2. This is the formula. So let's put it up. So 96 equal to half D1 is 16 into D2. We do not know D2. So 96 equal to 8 into D2. So the second diagonal is 96 over 8, and that is 12 equal to D2. Let's draw the next diagonal. It's here is the other diagonal, and this diagonal is 12, which means this would be 6 and this would be 6. So once again, here we have the diagonal is 12, so this is 6 and 6. And here earlier we saw this whole diagonal AC is 16, so this is 8 and 8. And in the rhombus, we have 90 degrees. So we have a right angle triangle. We'll now use Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. So in triangle D, this is OC. We put this as x since we don't know it, so that's hypotenuse. X square equal to 6 square plus 8 square. So x square equal to 36 plus 64. So x square equal to 100, and x is under root of 100, which is 10. And x is the side, so this side will now be 10. All the sides are equal of the rhombus. So the answer is 10. The perimeter of a rhombus is 80. So here we have a rhombus A, B, C, D. And the perimeter is 80. Now remember, in the rhombus all the sides are equal. So all these four sides are equal. So we put them as x, x, x and x. So we have 4x equal to 80. And x will be 20. So now we replace this by 20, 20, 20 and 20. Next, one of its diagonal is 24. So we'll just draw this diagonal AC, and it is 24. So AC equal to 24. And here we have the other diagonal, that is BD, and we do not know BD. Now if AC is 24, so we have here 12, and this will be 12. We'll put this as x. We do not know it, and this is O. Now we'll use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle DOC. This is 90, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle DOC we use Pythagoras. We see 20 is the hypotenuse. So we have 20 square equal to x square plus 12 square. So 400 equal to x square plus 144. 400 minus 144 equal to x square. 256 equal to x square. So x is 16. So now we rub this out and we write 16. This is 16. So this also will be 16. So the diagonals of this rhombus, we have two diagonals. One is BD, which is 16 plus 16 and 32. And the other diagonal is AC, which is 12 plus 12 equal to 24. Now to find the area of the rhombus, half D1 into D2. And that would be half 32 into 24, because our D1 is 32 and D2 is 24, and the answer is 384. So the right option is here. The diagonal is 32 and the area is 384. The distance of the point from the y-axis. Now the point is minus 1, 4. Now this coordinate, the x coordinate, is always distance from y-axis. So distance from the y-axis is 1. And the y coordinate is always distance from x-axis. So here the right option is 1 centimeter. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 16 root 3, find its perimeter. So area of equilateral triangle 16 root 3. But area formula is root 3 by 4 side square, which is 16 root 3. So root 3 you cancel. So you get side square equal to 16 into 4. Side is under root of 16 into 4. So side will be 4 into 2, which is 8. Now in a equilateral triangle, here we are drawing an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, so it is 8, 8, 8. So the perimeter equal to 3 into 8, which is 24 centimeters. So right option 24. One diagonal of the rhombus is 12. So here is a rhombus A, B, C, D. And one diagonal is given as 12. So let me draw the diagonal. This is 12. AC is 12. And the area is 54. So area, this is not given, just write down here, area equal to 54 centimeter square. Now the formula for area of rhombus we know is half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So this is 54, half diagonal 1 is 12 into diagonal 2. So the diagonal 2 will be 54 over 6 will be diagonal 2. So 9 will be diagonal 2. So we'll draw the diagonal 2. This is diagonal 2 and it is 9, which means this is 4.5. This is 4.5 and the earlier this is 6 and 6. We know this is 90 degrees, so we use Pythagoras theorem here. So using Pythagoras theorem in D, this is OC, we have 6 square plus 4.5 square equals, say this is x, equal to x square. So we have 36 plus, this is 20.25 equal to x square. So 56.25 equal to x square. X will be under root of 56.25. And your x equal to 7.5, which means the perimeter now, all the sides are equal, so the perimeter now will be 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. And the right option here, perimeter, will be 30. However, the option is not given here, so I think here the answer should be 30 centimeters. There may be a mistake in the option that are given. The measure of each side of an equilateral triangle whose area is root 3. So area is under root 3. The formula for equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 side square is area equal to root 3. So this you cancel. So side square equal to 4, side equal to 2. So here will be 2.